Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this 9-inch Lasko oscillating table fan. Now yes, it's kind of dirty, but it's had a lot of use. Here's the front of the fan. You see you have high and low. Here's the side of it, and the back. On the bottom you have your information. Pretty standard. I'm guessing that this is the model number right here. I don't know. Somebody will tell me if it is. So we will make it oscillate. Of course, that's no oscillation. And this is oscillate. And we'll turn it on low. It pushes a lot of air and is not very loud either. Now for high. And off. So there you go, a Lasko 9-inch oscillating table fan. Hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.